we're going to have some amazing new facilities and wonderful new spaces in there. In particular, we've got 2 immersive studios that we're putting in, which will be absolutely state-of-the-art, give us the capacity to be creative and to educate people in AR, VR, mixed reality, 3D motion capture, binaural sound. We're also going to get a new hyper studio, which is an enormous and really enabling space that will let us bring students from across all 4 faculties together to tackle real-world challenges. Again, I think we've done amazing things around student experience over the last 10 years, but with the facilities that we're about to get, this is going to make a massive step forward for us. Our existing spaces, to be fair, are a little closed off from the outside world, and yet inside our spaces we do amazing things. The students work on amazing projects. We've got great technologies and they do really creative, wonderful things. It's hard for people to see that. So one driver for the project is to make that more visible from the outside so people can see what we do. There's an open invitation to the industries, to the communities, to the citizens of Coventry to come in and join us in these spaces. So for example, we've built a new gallery space right on the front of the building that people will be able to see into, and that's intended as an invitation for them to come and join us, to take part in our activities, to be participants, but also to just come and look and see what we do. It really matters to us that we have that engagement.